Hey guys, Up7 here. Today we're back with another video, and today we're going to be unboxing two cars, and they are the Hollowback.
We got a Hollowback from Toys R Us back when we bought those two monster trucks, and I don't think we showed you guys this car, but it's a really cool glow-in-the-dark Hollowback. I haven't seen one of these in a while. We're going to be opening this one up, and when we bought that Era car on our last video, as you can see in the thumbnail, like, why did you... I have it over there. I wonder if you're probably wondering, why do we have this in the thumbnail if we didn't end up getting that car? Well, we actually did, we just forgot to tell you in the video. And we'll be doing a more in-depth look at this Aston Martin 177.
That's just weird.
Yeah. Without further ado, we're going to get into unboxing the car. So, I'm going to start off with this Hollowback, because it has the coolest features to it.
We do have a lot of Hollowbacks, but I mean, this one has just cool details.
I haven't seen one of these in a long time, because I think they stopped casting them for a little bit. It's got glow-in-the-dark wheels, pretty cool orange and blue.
Oh, that's what it says, glow.
Paint scheme, plastic body, metal base. This will probably be great on the track. That's the best combination for the track. I like the clear windshield. Chrome.
Why is the
I don't know what this is called. Headers. What are you gonna say?
Why is the wheel so small in the back? It's smaller than the wheels here.
I don't think it's a spare tire. I think that's like a Whipple supercharger or something.
Oh, I thought there was a wheel at first.
Yeah, I think that's a supercharger or something. I don't know. But yep, this is a really cool looking car. I'm gonna put this on my light I have over here, and that's what I use to get the cars all lit up for glow in the dark. So.
And it says best for track.
Yep.
And by the way, so we're gonna move on to what's it called, Surf and Surf instead of Surf and School Bus. If you realize that.
Surf and Turf.
And Surf and Turf. Sorry about that. So anyway, this is hard to believe, but I don't even know if this is best for the track.
It is not best for the track because the bumper sticks up so much that it's gonna get caught in loops. It's got a very terrible ground clearance, so it's probably not that fast in the straights. It's very wide. It might not even fit on some track. And it's just a terrible track car. It's meant to be a cartoonish collector one. It's not.
We'll test it out someday.
It's not a good track car, but I think the person that's in charge of this doesn't know what they're doing.
Sometimes.
It's part of the tuned series, which is kind of a funny. I don't know if that's a pun or what you call that kind of joke, but tuned meaning cartooned instead of tuning your car. So it's cartooned instead of like the car has been tuned. That's kind of funny. This is a year-old car. It says new for 2017, but I haven't seen it yet. We're going to open this one up. Pop right out. It is a woody. You got this wood texture on the side. Actually, you can actually kind of feel the wood. It's pretty cool. Got the huge motor sticking up right here. The chrome grille.
A lot different. Not different. I mean, it's a lot different from Surf and School Bus.
Well, yeah, it's just... The only thing related to Surf and School Bus about this car is the name. It's got this cool surfboard on top. I didn't even notice that with the Hot Wheels logo. You can see through the sunroof.
That's going to be added to our Hot Rod collection.
Yeah, and this chrome spare tire in the back that's actually the size of the wheels. That's how you know it's a spare tire. This is a really cool, nifty little car. I like when they do this one-off stuff.
That's a very cool car for 2017?
Yeah, it's a year old I said that. But, yeah, that's really cool. And that's the end of the unboxing, so if you just came here to see the unboxings, we're already done with those. We're not opening this car, but this is the Era we found at the Walgreens we went to for our first peg picking video. It's got a 5-spoke wheel in the front here, and I don't know if you can see, but we have confirmed that the other wheel is a 6-spoke or 8-spoke. You can see it at a certain angle that this is the only wheel like that. It's not like this on the other side, but...
I don't... Oh,
what? What were you going to say? What were you going to say?
Well, I don't think this... I mean, I think this is right, but if you test this on the track, like if you unbox it, which I don't think we are, but I don't think it's going to work on the track, because, first of all, this wheel looks bigger than that one, and it's probably...
Well, yeah, it's going to be off balance. I checked that. You can actually tell it's very hard to see on camera. Oh, you can see right there. That's another wheel with all those spokes. You can barely see it right at this angle, but it's going to be off balance a little bit. This side is going to be a little bit lower than this side, and it's going to just like kind of wobble like a chair. But yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos, and I'm going to turn this light off and show you the glow-in-the-dark wheels of the other car.
And that's what it looks like.
That is cool. Glow-in-the-dark technology is like so not primitive, but it's very basic. But it never ceases to amaze me. It's like really cool. And we have this car over here. It's only been on that light for a little bit, so the glow-in-the-dark probably gets better. This is a shark car, and if you hold this up to the light, the whole body glows. I'm going to see if I can quickly get it to activate. Probably not that fast, but yeah, glow-in-the-dark stuff's pretty cool. It's good for our videos. Oh, there you go. It actually wears off really quick, but it glows really fast. And you can see it's actually brighter than the wheels were in that
Does it feel hot?
truck.
Ah, burns. I'm just kidding.
Shut up. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Bye.
Bye.